pinalangga jud ko diri guys. Nga naman ba kung pinalangga jud ko, nag-agi lang ko kindahuan ako rambutan. So thank you po kay Uncle. Always nagabigay sa akin ng fruit. Mangga, tapos yung snake fruit, and then ito naman rambutan. Kung anong prutas na tumutubo dyan, nagabunga dyan, binibigyan niya ako. Thank you so much. And then as I eat this one, you know, I remember my tata, I remember my nana, I remember my dapo-dapo because the taste is just like our rambutan in the Philippines. Oh, I really miss it. Ang rambutan, di ay just style at parehas ang lasa sa rambutan sa Pinas. Shoutout kay Angel Faith, aking kaklase dyan. Dahil nag-comment ka, meron akong pa-verse para sa'yo. Nga kung saan, makikita sa Isaiah 66 verse 22. Hindi ko sure. Pero when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. And if you are looking for something, you are praying for something, believe that you will receive it because maybe God is making you stronger, braver, yung parang ganun. So that when you receive it, you are prepared and okay. And you treasure the things that you will receive. Because some of us know, if makuha natin yung mga bagay na madali lang, so we will not, oh, it's so easy. Parang hindi siya memorable. But hintay natin siya ng kahaba-habang panahon, di ba? We'll treasure it. So again, shoutout kay Angel. This rambutan is for me. So, your baby girl, JN. I just your wife. Thank you and God bless everyone. Be safe, be happy, and be optimistic and live.